Hold on to your tissues because you won't believe how fast a sneeze really is. The average sneeze blasts out of your nose and mouth at a mind-blowing 100 miles per hour. That's faster than some sports cars on the highway. Imagine this. Your sneeze is launching at the same speed as a Category 2 hurricane. That's a lot of power in one tiny achoo. But why so fast? Sneezing is your body's way of ejecting irritants like dust and germs. It's a built-in defense system with turbo speed. So next time you sneeze, just remember, you're basically a human sports car, but with more germs. Did this blow your mind? Drop a comment and let me know your weirdest sneeze story. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun facts.